What's up, YouTube.com? I'm John McGarrett's. Who cares? But today I want to talk about what I've found is the most effective short form strategy and why you should be making shorts for your channel if you, whatever. So let's just hop into it. This is my tips channel, which has not been performing well at all. I mean, it's been performing. I'm posting. You know, I'm in that phase where you're just posting. You know what I'm saying? Some videos get like 8, some get whatever. Not a big whatever. Not a big deal, but as you can see here, my views chart over here, maybe I'll move over here, probably be better for the eyes. We are at 503 views in the last 48 hours. This may be a little bit misleading because those are shorts views, a lot of them are, but that's what I'm here to talk to you about, shorts and how you should be using them. Shorts are literally a commercial for your channel, okay? The short feed, just think about it as a commercial, okay? So when they're scrolling and they're flipping through, they see your video, you have about 5 seconds to get somebody's attention. And but the thing is about short form is that you get immediate algorithm push if you do it correctly, which is about have a targeted audience, new YouTubers, and then your message or a question. That's your hook. I like putting the hook in the title. Have a question, and then have the video take about 5 seconds to say the information you want to. And then if you want to, at the end of it, say like subscribe for more tips or something like that. But I haven't even been doing that because I've just been trying to strictly stick my face in front of people's faces. So like 440 people saw my face, they saw my channel. So then that is bringing exposure to my channel. I mean, I don't know how it's translating to views yet, but I've only done 3 views or videos, sorry. But the money seems to be right putting about 3 to 6 videos a day. So a better example of how this has been helping my channels, this is a better example, has been with this channel, my main channel here. This is my experimental channel. And I've gone, 42 subs in the last 28 days, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it is more than, I've been getting before. And I've been only posting long form on this channel. But if we go to my shorts, I had a period of when I was posting like 100 videos a day just to see the limit of the posting. That was one experiment. How many can you post a day? And then, as you can see, not a lot of views. But then when I took my winter vacation, I got a very, very good piece of data, which is how much you should be posting to get help from the algorithm. And that's kind of your middleman. Like your partner, your first partner is the algorithm, is YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So like, as you can see, 23, 23, 23, 23, a little bit spread out. I posted 4 times and I got 2 feeds, okay? Maybe even a little bit more. I don't want to go to the page back. But as we can see here, one post on the 25th got 84. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 posts here. And as you can see, all of them except one got thrown into the algorithm. That's what I'm going to say. Like if you see a video that just has like over 100 views, that means they chucked you into the algorithm. So yeah, it's just like post 3. My method has been posting 3 shorts and then waiting about 4 to 5 hours and then posting 3 more. And it seems to refresh the timer. And sorry, this is my first day back for a while, so this one's going to be kind of like a chopped up. I feel like my words are kind of like mumble jumbling around, but still, the main point of this is that if you post 3 shorts, 1 long per day, that's a good, from what I've been experiencing so far, has been a good strategy to consistency. Establish consistency and get exposure. The long form is supposed to be your value content for people who like long forms, and then the short form is just their advertisements. It's like buying ads. You're getting shown to 400 people for free, and if you get a 1% like a 0.1% conversion of 400 views, oops, sorry. You know what I mean? Oh, that's a 10%. Sorry. 4. You know what I'm saying? And it could be one short. Think about this, man. Also, one more thing. Think about this. If you get a 1 viewer per 500, that's still 1 viewer. Okay. You do that 100 times, I get 100 viewers. But thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hopefully this helps somebody. Bye bye.